Hey guys, we are at K-Line Shop and we are about ready to show you guys the updates on the new dump truck, the actual truck part. Here we are.
Wanna be on camera? This is Ian. Hey. Hashtag banana. Working on your vehicle. Yeah.
Awesome.
He is the guy.
How's it coming, Ian?
Coming along right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty soon, I guess. Possibly do it.
We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
We're not rushing it. Zero mistakes.
Yep. How we do it.
That's how we do it. I do have a question for you.
Okay.
The tank. What
Okay.
color?
The hydraulic tank?
Yeah. So we have it made.
Okay.
Right here. We were
Yeah.
thinking same color as the cab.
Really? Okay. You think?
Because then it
that-
blends into the cab.
Yeah, that would be cool because usually they're black.
Normally it's black.
Yeah.
We're looking to be different.
Yeah, no, I think that would be
And it
really
goes-
cool.
And it's basically right underneath the window.
Okay.
So you'll see your the top spout of it, but other
Yeah.
than that, it'll be.
Yeah, that would be really cool. When we were at Guilty by Association, they're like, this is what we're used to.
Yeah.
One thing they're doing on the East Coast and the Midwest when they're building trucks, they're building these odd shaped tanks that are like basically like pyramid, like right in the middle, and so they're not up against the cab. It's definitely different. It's a different
It's cleaner.
style. Yeah, well, and it also
Yeah.
this is what I was expecting, but it was interesting to see other designs from
We've had them
other
in the
areas.
frame,
Yeah.
Right, but they're maintenance pigs.
Okay.
They constantly shaking. They're all rattling. They crack.
Mm-hmm.
We've had very success with steel tanks behind the cab.
Okay.
Aluminum ones don't last with the shit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've sent Walrath probably 6 of them because that logging road.
Oh, yeah.
They just beat the piss out of them.
I know these trucks are hard on things.
They are. That's unfortunately, like I say, when it comes to tear weight and trying to save as much as you can, there's certain areas you can't.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Well,
and a tank
luckily,
is one of them.
95% of my work is done by the hour.
Yeah.
And obviously, like, I want to be as light as possible, but
Correct.
I also don't want to have maintenance nightmares.
For sure. Yeah. And this we shrunk it to basically 3.5 to 4 inches to get what I need to keep you underneath your window.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
perfect.
it all came into play.
That's
Yeah.
perfect. I like the custom level of everything. Everything's specifically built for my truck.
That's why it takes so long.
I know.
If it was a standard unit, it'd be done by now.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But that's the reason why we're on the map.
Oh yeah, no, I know. Custom
Yep.
build.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
It's pretty wild. There's all your controls are all there.
Yeah.
Valve body, banks. I sent you the photo of the cab controls. Jump in.
Oh yeah, I haven't.
That's pretty sweet. Bobby, hop in. Have a look at the cab controls.
Oh, they look nice. Nice and clean.
Good switches, not shitty toggle switches like you have.
Yeah. Yeah, I like those.
Good rocker switches.
What's that? That'll be nice. I know the dump truck that I was driving the other day, all of the switches were on the dash except for the lever to dump the box, and it was like tucked underneath the seat, and I had to lean way down, like basically like lay down to reach it because it was on the floor. And then when I had my hand on the lever, I couldn't see the paver operator giving me hand signals because I was like leaning down so far. It's not a very good design for short people.
Not this.
No.
No. Sorry, I just jumped into halfway through it. Nope. That was
last weekend I drove for another company, a Super Solo.
Oh yeah.
And I can drive Super Solos, but I've never driven a Rogue built Super Solo. And the lever was basically down on the floor to dump the.
Oh yeah.
And so to be able to reach it, I had to lean
It's
way
just a
down.
single, isn't it?
Yeah. I had to lean way down to reach it, and then when I was leaning down, I couldn't see the paver operator in the mirror, and so I had to keep like stopping and looking and stopping and looking, and like, yeah, it was fun, but it worked out. I survived. I couldn't be on that job because they only wanted super solos, which is the 7-axle with
Yep.
the axle in the back.
We don't build them.
Yeah.
We won't.
Yeah, they're getting way more popular.
Yeah, but they're awful.
I know. That actually,
We looked at them and we just can't justify it.
the one that I drove, the Rogue one, it was way nicer to drive than the OSW one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it was a way better build, and it was older too. It was like a
Eric had a couple
19.
in his yard, and I went down and looked at it, took a bunch of photos and measurements and stuff, and we brought it back, and we're like, why are we doing this? We
Yeah.
don't need to do this, to be honest.
Yeah.
And it's just, and then the next phone call, this guy's like, yeah, I'm getting rid of mine, right? Like, okay.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm glad we didn't go up that road, anyways. What do you think of that?
I think it
Pretty
looks
clean,
good.
eh?
Yeah.
It's all
Looks
labeled
really
out.
nice.
Truck, trailer, very simple.
Yep,
Very
I like
nice.
it. It makes it easy. Everything all labeled. I think it looks really good.
Perfect.
You guys did a really good job on that part. I like it.
But inside more black.
Yes.
Okay? We did change that in the spec
Okay.
the last time. So
What color did you have it in there? Oh, it's
I had it as the same
blue.
color as the cab.
Yeah, I wanted
Like a
to.
blue, silver, blue tarp. 'Cause you said you were doing silver, what is it, deckling or something you were saying? Or have you changed your mind on
They're
that?
gonna paint. I can show you a picture of what.
strip it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it will be silver, right?
It's gonna be silver and black.
Yeah, okay, so
Yeah.
my blue, silver, blue tarp should be okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you get the
cool.
back end?
Well, we're gonna get there.
Okay.
Go take a look. Looks so good. We're getting there. This looks way beefier than my truck. Yeah.
3/8.
Yeah, that looks sturdy. Very sturdy. Looks good. Oh, I like it.
Okay, since you do all the maintenance, we do 2 different pin styles. Quick change or solid.
What's
Quick change is kind of normal, going way down.
So you can pull them out. Yeah, that.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay. They just don't last as long as solids.
That's fine.
Okay.
You can maintain them.
You can put a
You can
5-ball in
replace
it
them.
and raise it and check it out, yes. Manage it. But yes, fully custom tow apron. It's not our typical for our Canadian. It's a version of it, but for down where you are, it's a little bit more custom. And yes, where your hinge setup is, yeah, we don't mess around with that.
That's probably that's way
Little-
thicker
it might
than
be
the
a
one
little
that
overkill, but
yeah.
yeah, we want it to stay on.
Yeah. Me too.
Yeah.
Look at my tires. They look so good.
They're 6 months, 8 months.
These ones?
They last that long?
They do like
Do they?
3 years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
If they don't pop.
Yeah.
I forgot because you guys don't carry the weights we do, right? Our guys are like 6-8 months.
Yeah, and they honestly, like, I used to when I typically drove trucks that had tires more like
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
and they wore out
They wore
in
out
about that amount of time. And when I bought my truck, it had this tread pattern on the tires.
Okay.
And I was like, well, those are gonna have to go because those aren't gonna be any good off-road is what I was thinking. But I was like, I don't have any money, so I was gonna run them out. And then everybody was telling me, they're like, well, the reason why Tony, which is the guy that I bought my truck from,
Yeah.
the reason why Tony runs those is because they are really good off-road and they last a really long time. And I was like, okay, well, we'll see.
Okay.
And they,
Guess what? When
and
you're off road, there's usually a dozer there that can pull you
They
out.
pull
if
you
you
yeah.
don't stop.
Yeah.
Well, they didn't do like they do fine.
Yeah.
That's the thing is they do fine off-road. Like it's not. I don't think that I think the bigger, luggier tire, it doesn't make enough of a difference off-road
Yeah.
to like downplay the usefulness of the tire lasting multiple years, if that makes sense.
And you don't change it for winter, do you?
No.
So,
Doesn't run it.
I do too run in the winter.
you know,
I do too run
I'm surprised
in
you
the
were
winter.
paving when it was like, when you, what did you say? It was 30 degrees?
I was
Right? Was it
paving.
30?
I was
30?
paving
Right.
right down the
In the
road.
rain, yeah.
Well, that wasn't 30 degrees, but the other day, 2 days ago, I was paving 4 miles from the border in 30-degree weather.
Yeah?
Just a parking lot.
Okay.
Right there. Yeah. Yeah, I had to back the truck and trailer.
Which
like
border?
around the one we just came
Oh,
across.
Guy Meridian?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I had to back around like an L building, like multiple.
Yeah.
The first day, because there was a 2-day job, I paved truck and trailer the first day, and then the night they were like, yeah, it was too difficult truck and trailer, so we're just gonna switch to transfers only.
Okay.
And I was like, all right, I did it. So
Nice.
I don't know, whatever.
Yeah,
So whatever they want to do.
for sure.
But oh, looks good. I love it. I'm so excited. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna park it. I still haven't figured that out.
At the house.
I backed my truck and pup down from the cul-de-sac, and I don't think I mean
do like a 180 turn and then back down.
yeah. I go around the
really
cul-de-sac
tight.
to the right and then to pull it to the left and then change the angle of the trailer and then push my pup trailer down and then down the hill and behind the shop and yeah, so
Just do what these guys do. They just find a back road, like our street right here, and there'll be like 3 of them.
You can park it right next to the freeway. That's what I was
Right,
thinking
yeah.
on Rose.
all right guys, well that concludes the update on our truck. We're gonna go take a look at other people's trucks now, and I'm not gonna share that with you, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.